Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated with the latest announcements and important updates from Roblox, checking your news messages is the way to go. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to find and read Roblox news messages right from your mobile device, using the updated 2025 app interface. First, make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by opening the Roblox app on your mobile device. As soon as you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several icons lined up. What you're looking for is the 3 dots icon, also known as the More button, located at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the More menu, giving you access to a range of features and settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Messages. Tap on Messages to open your Roblox inbox. This is where all your private messages, friend requests, and important notifications are organized. Within your inbox, you'll find different categories or tabs. Look for the one titled News. Tap on News to view all the latest official messages from Roblox. These messages include updates about new features, community news, safety tips, and sometimes even special events or promotions. Reading these keeps you informed about what's happening across the Roblox platform. If you don't see any news messages right away, don't worry. Roblox sends out news updates periodically, so check back from time to stay in the loop. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly access Roblox news messages on your mobile device. Staying informed is easy and only takes a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can stay updated too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.